Awesome, great. Well, thank you, and welcome to everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. Just a little bit of background about myself before I jump into the presentation itself. I have been a member of the global public sector team almost since the very beginning, as in 2017 when I joined Google. And prior to joining Google, I have spent about 4 years as a California state employee, working in the Department of Healthcare Services as well as the Department of Technology. And I'm very excited to be sharing with you today around our product solution, in this case, Enterprise Translation Hub, or I will often be referring to it as ETH. But more importantly, how we're using this tool with our customers to be able to uh, scale translate the capacity, the quantity of translations that we're able to do, but ultimately for the purpose of increasing the access that our constituents have to government, as well as providing more in terms of equity for the diverse constituency that we have. So we're going to talk about some of the background of technology that goes into this, but we're also going to talk about some of the common patterns and challenges. But this bullet point number 4, I'm very excited that today we're going to be able to go into a demo where we can show the product that has now gone GA, which is generally available earlier in this month. And I'm very excited about some of the templating capabilities that will, for folks who work in language access, will be very familiar with, which is the being able to predefine some of our, essentially standardizing some of the work that we're doing in equity and access by uh, having that predefined for our users, whether they're business users or internal and external stakeholders, to be able to accelerate that. So, with that being said, I'm gonna give a quick overview of some of the Google solutions that are being used and being built upon to provide this solution, and then I'll take a quick pause for questions, and then we'll go into the rest of the agenda here.